Hello, and welcome to Minecraft X Play video. Today we shall be playing in farm life in my server. Right now I am trying to get this giant birch tree. Got it, yeah. Dragon's with me as well. I think no, you didn't get a new skin. He just has this thing on his head. And everything's the same except for a few things. As you can kind of right now see, I have been doing a ton of things, pretty much. I have built this. I've also cut down a ton of these trees. I have started on the farm I'm gonna build. And yeah, last episode we just got out of the place of that big, I mean just humongous cave. It was pretty fun. And though it was very short, I'm still waiting to be able to upload another video. So I thought I might just make another video. So everything will be fun. I don't know how I get through this much cobble. I mean, does this look like I just used 6 cobble? No, it really shouldn't. But I've been making the farm. I've been doing just a ton of crazy things. And right now I'm going to be planting some birch saplings. Where's Dragon? He has to be ow slash feed. It's a cheat because we have pretty much no food yet until we can find out why these cows can't love each other and respawn. So we're gonna have to use that. Right now he's making this redstone thing that hopefully should help us some bits. I hope it will. It's nighttime, so I'm gonna have a sleep. Have some sleeps. I'm kind of like standing on top of my bed. That's kind of weird. Okay. It's morning. It's lovely. Yeah. So yeah. I haven't really done anything but publish this kind of video today. Just farm life videos today because this is one of the only days I have time. I'm gonna start having friends commentating with me. Maybe not playing with me, but commentating with me at least. So we're gonna have plenty of people speaking. You're never gonna get bored, hopefully. Because I shall be doing as many videos as possible whenever I can do a video, which is usually gonna be at the end of the day. So if you want a video from me, expect it at the end of the day. Because school is starting in a week. Just a week. This is Monday. School is starting in a week. Which is so sad. Max is just a year above me. So now he's gone. Because I shall be in 5th grade. Should be so happy. And yeah. It's fun. It's plenty of cobble as well. I never had this much cobble. I promise you. It may sound unbelievable to you, but sure. I've never had this much cobble. Well, it really may sound a bit unbelievable. Okay. And sometime soon I shall have a new skin. It shall be a girl with pink hair because I thought I've never had a skin like that. So I thought that might be cool. See, melons! Melon! I'm gonna scream that out at him. not wasting watermelon, really. You see me, I forgot. There's a watermelon. Oh, I got my melons back. I got them back, that's weird. That's really weird. Okay. Oh yeah, an birch tree. I never used my sword. I haven't used it so far. For a reason. Really, for a reason. I haven't used it. Because there's been no mobs yet. We probably shall be getting mobs at some point, though we all sleep very early on this island, it seems. No, I'm good. No. Hello, good sir. Okay. We're gonna have tons of sugar. I actually did a skyblock. I never did a series on it, but I was doing some skyblock, and yeah. I learned that after a while, you really do start getting mobs. And sometimes they come out at you whenever, just at whenever. Because I was just playing randomly that day. I was having fun, and I heard then a zombie with armor came right in front of my face. Yeah. It was actually pretty creepy, I have to say. I was creeped out when I saw that coming at me. And I really barely survived. So just so you know, there's gonna, if you ever see it, you might get mobs in it. I got one, and when I was really not expecting it, so just be ready for a bunch of mobs in Sky Island, because I didn't really know they would spawn. I really wasn't expecting that, and if you aren't gonna be expecting that, then please be, because I stopped playing that skyblock, because every single time I played, at least once. No. Sashi and I'll have to get some water from here. Because water here is saying goes into magic more claims. Claims. There. That's fine. There's Dragon. Oh, he's over there. I really don't know what he's building. I'm just saying we won't be going in a mine if you're like wondering why isn't she in a mine? We won't be going in a mine anytime soon. Just so you know. Oh, that's so nice. Probably really nice water adventure. If you get annoyed because I'm just doing parkour all over the place, I'm sure you won't. You do. I'm very sorry. I love parkour. I parkour over this all the time. This is like my main parkour. Oh. I love it so much. But we have nice minecart seats. I can sit in there. I can rest Smith, sign and get off, and dance around the table, and jump over here, and I'm a bit crazy. How did that make it grow? That was weird. Okay. Got this all settled here. What time is it? Okay. It's gonna be bedtime in a minute or so. And anyway, we're gonna have to end this video here. Alright. And yeah. I'm gonna go tell him. He needs to know. So I shall see you later. Bye.